She speaks English fluently. Speaking she? That's not the right way to say it. Now in today's class, we're talking about question tags. Welcome to this channel. I still remain your favorite support. Do well to subscribe to this channel if you are still new, and do well to leave your questions in the comment section as you commence today's class. Question tags are short questions that are used after a declarative sentence to reinforce the meaning, to seek clarity, and also to attract the attention of the listener. I'm sure you have used question tags many times when talking to somebody. For instance, when you say, I went to school today, didn't I? She cooked the food, didn't she? And so on and so forth. Now for your O level, that's the exam including JAMB, WAEC, and NECO, you'll be needing a very good knowledge of question tags because this actually comes out every year in all of these examination bodies. Now let's talk about the type of sentences. We have positive sentences and negative sentences. Now positive sentences are those sentences that do not have not. For instance, I went to school is a positive sentence. On the other hand, negative sentences have nots in the sentence. For instance, I did not go to school. Okay, now a question tag is used after a declarative sentence. And we have two main rules of question tags. Positive statement goes with negative questions, while negative statement goes with positive questions. In the case of positive statements, we have, she went to school today, didn't she? I took my bath now, didn't I? She is your friend, isn't she? In the case of negative statement, we have, she is not your friend, is she? Mary will not come, will she? John is not your brother, is he? Other rules includes, if used to is used in the sentence, then the question will be did or didn't. For instance, she used to cry. The question will be, didn't she? Another rule, if a statement contains let us, then the question will be shall we. For instance, let us travel tomorrow. Guess what? The question will be shall we. We have come to the end of today's class. Thank you so much for joining, and do well to subscribe to this channel. In my next video, I'll be solving WAEC and JAMB past questions on question tags. See you right there.